Hey, today I'm gonna do a quick update review on our experience with this Iyee mattress. This is a twin mattress, so we've had this for a few months now, and it's just been awesome, super comfortable, and just very nice. So this is in our spare bedroom, and a lot of times we'll just use this where it's like used as an office and also just a reading room. So we have this little back pillow, and we like to use this a lot just to read, and so this is like a super comfortable spot to read on this mattress. And yeah, it's just been awesome, and we absolutely love it.